Hi, I'm Becky Bradley. I'm Clinical Nutrition Manager here at Leahy Hospital and Medical Center. I've worked here almost 35 years and I've seen lots of big changes both in the building and what we do here at the hospital. And I'm really proud of the clinical dietitians that are part of my group as well as the entire food and nutrition department. So I'm happy to introduce my colleagues.